Hello guys, welcome my another video. Today I will make how to create a registration form in HTML and CSS. That is the very interesting things. Guys, firstly I am telling for making this code or for making this interface, all kinds of source code you can download 100% free from my website link. Just see my video description. Guys, I will make three part of this video. First part, this one, how to create registration form in HTML and CSS, and also another and the next video I will make how to registration, okay, like that username and email and password and confirm password, then sign up, how to registration. And the last one, how you will log in, okay. There's in total 3 tutorials I will make. Firstly, this tutorial already I am saying for making this interface, all kinds of source code you can download 100% free from my website. Just website links in my video description. When you click this interface, then see this interface. That is my website interface. That is the thumbnail. Then scroll down, then see view demo. I will tell after sometimes about view demo. Self scroll down, then see index. There are index, all kinds of coding in here. You can copy specifically, no problem. Also scroll down, then config. That is very interesting things, and also process PHP. That's one. And self scroll down, then see download source code. If you click here, then you can download as a table 39. You see that self loading, guys. You see that there are all kinds of source code in here. Self download, and then you can make this. How now I'm share. And also when you scroll up, then see demo list. If you click here, then see there are a lot of demo in here. There are a lot of demo. Now I am talking about last one, 36, how to create a registration form in HTML CSS. If you click view details, then see view details. Then if you click view demo, then see view demo. So guys, no more talk, let's go. First tutorial, how to create a registration form in HTML and CSS. Let's go. Everybody know must be we have to go our gem. My gem is local C drive, then gem std docs. So now I'm creating table 39. Okay, now I'm creating table 39. Self click here, then my old folder is already empty. Already I download this table 39. There's one. Now I am copy or cut from here, paste table 39 in gem, and then extract here, guys. Now I'm in extract. Okay, you see that all kinds of coding in here. And also if you like to change your background pic, no problem, you can see image option, then see that's one. And some question in this, because if you change another pic, okay, no problem, you can change. Just copy this background name or I'm sorry, picture name, same to same copy, then your picture will be added your background, no problem. And now another things is a process, index and config. Now I am open everything. Okay, now I'm open. There's you can see that there is the process, all kinds of things in here, no problem, no change. Self copy and paste, your table will be make or your interface will be make, no problem. Then config, then self index. Index is actually another things, because you can change like that sign up form. You can change that is the table heading. Okay, no problem, you can change from here. That is a very interesting things. So guys, I think everything is okay. Self copy and paste your gem, and obviously mention your table name. Okay, now I am check my table 39, guys. That is a new tab, then type localhost table 39, done, then press enter. You can see my table 39 is showing. So guys, no more talk. If you have any question about this, must be you can comment in my comment box. I will try to answer as soon as possible. And also, like if you like this types of video, please subscribe my channel. So no more talk. Thank you very much.